Welcome to this video, guys, and this is an interesting debate. Which platform to advertise your business is better, Facebook or Google? Now, let me just say, obviously, I'm massively biased towards Google. It's what's helped me generate a hugely successful business, right? And I have a small confession to make. I still use Facebook ads. I probably only now spend maybe $80,000 to $100,000 a year on Facebook ads. Most of my budget now goes massively onto Google. And I want to share with you why Google is so much more successful in terms of helping me and my clients generate 6-7 figures and beyond each year. And this is the reason why. And it is one critical keyword, and it comes down to intent. That is the magical word here, intent. Now, this is why you really should be considering using Google to grow your business and grow it fast. Here's the thing with Facebook, right? When you are advertising on Facebook, it is all interests, right? You've got a person that has gone onto Facebook that is your possible prospect customer, your potential lead, a stranger you want to attract into your world. But here's the thing, guys. Here is the thing. That stranger, that potential client or customer, they're on Facebook not to buy your products, not to buy your services, not to give you their personal information like phone number, cell number, name, email. They are there to, I don't know, watch a cat jump over a fence, or watch somebody try and pop a balloon with their head, or, you know, try and just communicate with friends, right? Find out what people are up to, share photos, messages. They are not there to buy. And here's the thing, guys, when I say intent, people go to Google and they are searching, they are typing in a keyword, right? So then you will then get a list of results under Google, depending on what they type in. And interests, right? When you're marketing on Facebook, you have to almost build your customer avatar to target their interests that you think that they would be interested in terms of what you have to offer as a business, a service, a product, no matter what. Now with Google, think about this, right? If somebody is searching and they are looking for a solution, they are looking for a product, they're looking for a service, their level of intent is sky high. This is where you capture them, right? So this is what we're going to talk about on the intent line. So you have here your customer, right? Their level of intent in terms of wanting to buy is here. It's way up the spectrum, right? It's way up the line. When you're marketing on Facebook, their level of intent in wanting to communicate with you, buy the lead, generate a lead from you, try and fill in your website form, make contact with you. Their level of intent is here, right? It's really low down. On Google, when they are searching for a solution. They have a pain, they have a problem, they want an answer, right? So their level of intent on the intent line here is so much higher. So if you get your messaging right, your targeting right, your keywords right, your landing pages, that is the fastest way in which you can grow a business and generate leads, clients and customers, all from complete strangers and people that have never ever actually heard from you. And that, guys, is the power of Google in terms of intent versus interests. So now, of course, I'll be completely honest, I am obviously biased towards Google, right? It's the one platform that I now focus on the most, and it's the one platform most of our Google clients that we teach Google to, they are getting huge success. And what you're finding now is Facebook's algorithm and the nightmare of having your account banned for no reason, right? It's frightening. You cannot operate a business like that. Now on Google, your chances of having your account banned, is very slim, much slimmer than it is with Facebook. Now don't get me wrong, it does happen, and we know how to get approved, and we know Google's policies, and it's much more clear than Facebook. So interests versus intent. When you can market to intent and consumers and people that have that high level of intent, this is how you make a 6 or 7 figure business, because you are right in front of the person that wants a solution there and then, not people that are looking for cats jumping over fences or somebody sharing a picture of their birthday party or vacation holiday, right? And that is the key difference, right, guys? Google, much more powerful platform to build a very solid, scalable business of any kind. Hope that made sense to you all, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about this sort of stuff. And there's a free training actually where I talk about Facebook and Google in the description below. So click that, go and watch the free webinar training, and hope you enjoyed that. That being said, right guys, hope you enjoyed it, and speak to you soon.